I just wanted to make a quick video for you about how to use the CVOR calculator. And please, it's for the members of the Safety Dog Success Network. Um, so you come over here, and first of all, please make a copy, because if you don't make a copy, you'll save changes in this site, and other people will be able to see your scores, which may be good, but you may not want to share everything. So please make a copy first and then work on that. And then as we get here, let me show you where these numbers come from. So the number of months, we simply take them here from either the collision or the conviction breakdown, because as you'll see, the number of months and the kilometers are the exact same. So I'm just going to key in here the number of months, and let me bring that back. 5.3, 12, 6, 5.3, 12, 6, 0.77. All right, which equals 24. Please complete only the green areas. The blue areas are auto-calculated. So now I want to put my kilometers in, and again, I got to bring this back up, and the kilometers are here, 69,167. All right, so now again, come to the collision points, and now I just read this section here, collision points, which is 2, 8, 4, and 0. And we'll look at the convictions, and the convictions are 2, 8, 10, and 0. And now let's look at where do I get the inspection details from? And the inspection details, the first thing that you need to make sure you get is the total units inspected, which is right here. Total units inspected on this CVOR is 10. So I want to put a 10 in there. And then let's go back and check. Driver points assigned is 0, and vehicle points assigned is 0. So there we have it, 62.77. And I believe this actual CVOR is 62.76. So I'm 0, I'm very close in my calculator. How to use this: if you know some points are about to fall off next month, for example, well, you could come here and go, I know I'm getting 2 points back. How is that going to affect me? Change that number to a 2, and you go, oh, hey, I'm going to drop down to 56.88. But one of my drivers just had a crash, and I know somebody was injured, so I'm going to have to add 4 points to here. So that's going to be a 6 now. 2 plus 4 is 6. So I make that change, and I scroll down, and now I see I went back to 67. So it's a quick way to decide how you need to use this. The other thing that you might do is use it to decide whether you are going to fight a ticket or not. Because as we know, tickets, when you are convicted, the points go on, and how that will affect the CVOR, you can use this calculator to do just that. If you have any questions, of course, we can cover it in your monthly meeting. Have a great day.